Hi friends, it's Liz here. Just a quick video today showing you some BeeBeecraft items and some Michaels paper pads. I will have timestamps in the description box below. Just a quick video today showing you some new supplies I received from BeeBeecraft. And this first one that I'm starting with is a stencil. I wanted it because it looked like, you know, I could do a coffee stain on my paper. I didn't know it was going to be this large. But I still like it, of course. Great for mixed media. I think it's one of the things I have to remember to check on their site is sizing of items and amount of items, because I'm always thrown off by that. I will have links to everything I'm showing you in the description box below. The next ones here are these lovely ribbons. I thought it was a little bit more sheer when I saw them again online. I do like that they're, you know, very colorful and just very blingy. And there's lots of them, so I will definitely be making a lot of use of these lovely ribbons. And you can see it's got like a little bit of a gold to one of the sides, so it's really nice and shimmery, and there's two colors of each. So I'll probably be making lots of different you know, things to use them for. Leave a comment below and leave me a suggestion on what you enjoy using ribbon for in your crafts. I personally usually add them as, like, you know, for my tags or like little bows and things like that. The next thing I wanted to check out is these lovely little charms. They're flowers, and when I saw them I thought they would be so perfect to add like as a little embellishment on like a journaling tag or even like a journaling card. And look how cute it is. And if you make anything that needs charms and you can add charms to them, then these are so perfect, so florally, and I absolutely love them. There's some pink one in there as well. I just didn't happen to pull some out. It did come in this little Ziploc bag, and then it also came in that little container that you see there. So that's actually really cute. This next one, it's the these little, oh my gosh, I will remember the name, I promise. They turned out to be quite large comparison to the ones I've been using before. So again, sizing. I will be showing you some projects where I've used them in a little bit, but I did have a hard time putting them through, even though I was using my little punch, my We Are Memory Keepers, whatever that's called. So yeah, so they're very nice. I like that there's different colors and there's like a few different packets of them. It's only like the one part. It doesn't come with, I think there's some of them come with like a different part that you can add to the back. Help me with the names, everyone. I just don't remember when I'm filming. The other thing I wanted to try out is these cute little pocket here on this die set. This is the reason I got this little die set. But of course now I want to try out the little flags and everything else that's in it. So I will be showing you those as well in a future project, depending on how I use them. And I was really looking forward to, you know, seeing the sizes of these. So these are perfect because I think it even comes with a little thank you on it, I believe, which is really nice. I'm also going to be showing you a really great way to put bling on your die cuts once you've cut them out. So I'll show you those in another video. All right, so these ones, I wanted to try these jewelry beads, and there are so many. Now, I'll be using these for a long, long time. I'll probably be making, you know, little packs of them and maybe sharing them in kits. We'll see how it goes. I couldn't open it because the last time I opened it, it took me so long to close it back up because all the little beads get stuck in the little edge. And then these ones, I love these. I wanted a few of these, and these comes in all colors. These are those little bulb pins. I use them for everything. I love them, and I love that now I have such a variety of colors. So just a quick video to show you what I got. I will have links to everything I'm showing you below. And also I will be showing you some projects in the very near future of how I've used some of these goodies. Okay, so let me just show you the Michaels paper pads I recently picked up. I think this one right now is probably my favorite, and I just love the tones of the paper pad. There are a lot of pages that do have that gold foiling, which is really lovely to have. It just gives it an extra touch, right, when you're making something with them. I have two more paper pads to show you as well. And just in case I stop talking at any time, my neighbors are putting in their roof, and it's like this forever roof, they call it. So it's metal and it's going to be very noisy. They've been starting it and, you know, stopping it on and off. So if I happen to stop chatting, it's because they started, you know, making noise over on their side. It is very loud. Anyways, like I said, loving the colors, loving that it's very subtle in some pages, and I think it's just very a very nice paper collection on this one. It's funny, I'm noticing that all their paper pads now have this like limited time on them, or limited edition. So we'll see. I love how these like sparkle a little bit. Very, very nice. Look at this one here with the pinks and yellows and just the subtle blues. Really love these tones. And then again, we've got that really shiny gold foiling on these ones. So this is a really, really nice. It's one of my favorites right now. Okay, the next one is these Butterflies Study. I remember them having similar butterfly pads before. This one, of course, is a little bit different, and it kind of updates the ones we've had. Like, I love the script on this page, and really, really like the, again, the little bit of gold foiling. What do you all do with these types of pages if you're not a scrapbooker and you don't like do layouts? Leave a comment below and let me know. I have some ideas on how I want to keep using them, and I have shown you before how I like to repurpose those, because I like to use them for sure, and not just kind of leave them there. And that this one that I just showed you, the pages has got like 4 of the different sentiments on them there. Here's more of the gold foiling. This one's quite toned down again. And then a lot of neutrals, which is really nice when you're working with some, you know, patterns that are very, very busy. And this one, I like the strips here as well. So you can see the different designs on the strips. And then green is always useful, of course. And look at that gold foiling there as well. Or foiling, because it wasn't gold. I should just say foiling. And then these 3 pages of like complete foiling there. If that's what it's called, I'm not even sure. Leave a comment below and let me know. And then the last one is the Cottage Flowers, which I think is lovely as well. I was actually going to start showing you some more of the fall theme paper pads. Let me know if you want to see them. I know it's not for everybody yet to start fall crafting, but for me, as soon as August hits, I'm like all ready for my trees to change color, the leaves, like all that stuff happening. I love fall, my favorite time of the year. So again, this is more of the foiling on the pages, which is really nice. How do you use foiling on your pages, or the papers that have foiling? I would love to get some ideas. I know these are great for maybe making some greeting cards because of all the coordinating pages that go together. So I might try and make some of those as well. And those of you that are card makers, let me know if you like to use these ones as well for easy card making. I'm really looking forward to, you know, to using up more of my paper pads when I get them, and just come up with different ideas and things to do with them. Besides my one sheet wonders that I love doing with 12 by 12 papers. So if you haven't seen that playlist, I will link it below. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I have a lot of different types of crafting videos, and I also like to do unboxings, and of course showing you the Michael's paper pads when I happen to come across them. That was a really nice page as well. So thank you for joining me. I hope you like the flip through. Let me know if you want to see more, if you want to see the fall ones, and leave a comment below for any questions. I'll see you very soon. Thanks so much for stopping by.